guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Litmatch account. Litmatch is an app that is designed to help you meet new friends and other people with shared interests. So if you also want to create an online social community and share your life with them, follow these simple steps and you will be able to create a Litmatch account. To get started, you need to open the Litmatch application on your device. If you haven't installed it already, then go to your Play Store or App Store, install it first and then open the application. So this will be your interface when you open it. Now you have an option to create your account with your Facebook or Google. I'm going to tap on Google here to create my account. Now you have to choose an account from here to continue the process. So select your account and from here you can start creating your profile. Also, here is a warning that once you confirm your birthday and gender, that cannot be changed. So you have to provide this information carefully. Let's start with the nickname. It can be your full name or your nickname. Then provide your birth date. After this, select your gender. Now tap on done. So there will be a pop-up showing your gender and age to make sure if they are correct. Once you are sure, you may tap on confirm. Moving to the next page. Here you have to choose who you want to meet on this app. You have the option for male, female or both. I'm going to select both. Now you have to choose an age group. So you can select an age group that you want to meet people from. I'm going to select this one. So once you are done with the preferences who you want to meet on this app, you may tap on done. After this, you will be taken to this page where you have to introduce yourself with all these tags given here. These are going to have an influence on your profile, so select them wisely. First, we have personality, so select the options that reflect you as a person. Now we have occupation. So you can choose one or many of them. After this, we have zodiac sign. So I'm going to select my sign and then we have status, game, sports, music, all of these options here. So you may swipe to each of them and then select the options that suit your personality. Once you are done with all these options, tap on next. Now it will show the influence you have created by completing this step. Next on this page, you have to tell them more about yourself by introducing yourself with few words. So you may write down few sentences here in this box like your interests and hobbies. I'm going to skip this option as of now. After this, you have to choose an avatar for your profile. You can select from these options and you can always change it later. So let me select one of these and then you may tap on done. So that's it, your account on Litmatch will be created finally. To confirm this, you can go to your profile section by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. You can see your profile here with all the details and you can customize the settings further accordingly. So this is how you can create an account on Litmatch. I hope you guys like this video. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.